Hey YouTube, I bought this little thing. It's like a bird whistle thing, and we got it. I'm gonna try it out right now. First time I ever did. So you gotta wet it in your mouth for 1 minute. Okay, let's just skip that. Okay, let's get to the part. But you wet it for 1 minute. Oh God, pop-up ads. I hate them. Okay. You gotta go like, or it also says on the paper go, kind of like chips or cheese. Yeah. Okay, so you want to make those sounds. Okay, close it. My computer is so slow. Yeah, you can't. It's not the same thing when I talk. So it looks exactly like this. Tiny piece. It's flat. And it's pretty cool. At the first time I did this, I thought it was like a scam when I saw it on the internet. I was like, when I was waiting for it to order, I was like, I think it's a scam. It probably is. But then when I got it, I thought it was a scam again. But then, let's just, what is that name? Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. So you get this, you search it on the internet, you go to the website, and then you order this thing for about $3. It says that you get one, and I thought that's true, but no. I don't know if I just got lucky or something, but I got two. So give thumbs up if it works for you, and oh yeah. Put the rugged side towards the back of your throat. And make sure that you have the rugged side touching the top of your mouth. It's like, if this paper part weren't here, you were guaranteed to swallow it. It sticks to the roof of your mouth, like, well, not always, but it just keeps you from swallowing it. And if you're 8 or under, do not do it. But I'm 9, so haha. I'm not. No offense, 8-year-olds. No, don't cry. Yeah. Okay. And if you're getting a pet parakeet anytime soon, this is a good thing to have. You could actually communicate with your bird to tell it that the food and water is filled in its cage. Go like this. Yeah, that really sounds like a parakeet, doesn't it? And if you want it to come out of the cage, like if you're going to put your finger in there and have it come out, go like this. But you have to tame it first. Oh no, don't do that part, that was screwed up. Okay, yeah. So you get it. Oh, and one more thing, if you're just talking to it, like saying, how are you, and all that, just make sound like this. And pause for a second and let your bird talk, and then, oh, and search bird whistle, and then put X, then put XA, and then, wait, bird whistles space XA. Yeah, and that will be the second video. The XA is for code. So, no one just searches it and tries to play. Okay, so play bird whistles XA to your bird, and then it'll talk to the thing too. Okay, see you guys. See ya. Okay, bye.